The opportunity of experiencing vibrant lifestyle with seamless connectivity and world-class amenities is brought to you by Raheja Universal at Juinagar. Welcome to the launch of new cluster Raheja Atlantis. Behind me is the model where I can make you understand what exactly are going to be your views. This is Solaris, their earlier tower, which is now completely sold out. After that came Lunaris, and now behold yourself, because they are launching Atlantis, which means once again you have a chance to get beautiful views from your apartment. This is the first tower they are launching, from where you'll be having the views of the Dubai Marina Bay. You'll be having floating restaurants there, beautiful view to have from your balcony. You also have view of your district club, and not just that, you also have view of your majestic mountains from your balcony. That means you have view of the mountain, city, Seawoods Grand Central Mall is also visible. Now this is the model which can give you an idea of exactly how your tower is going to look like. Spread across 6 acres, you get 6 towers, in which they are launching the first one. Tower 1 and 2 has 3 and 4 BHK apartment, Tower 3 and 4 has 5 and 6 BHK apartment, Tower 5 and 6 has duplex and penthouses. That means this is going to be a very luxurious cluster. The kind of people who will be living here, the living experience which you can create for yourself is going to be magnanimous. Now coming to the bifurcation of your tower, up till the 5th floor you have parking, ample amount of parking space is going to be there. On the 6th floor you have amenities, the enclosed amenities, for example your indoor games. On the 6th floor you have E-deck. The open amenities are going to be there, as you can see for yourself, your play areas, your swimming pool, gymnasium, everything is going to be right here. Very higher floor for open amenities. That means you can have a very breezy feeling while your children are playing or while you're sitting and enjoying with your family members. So that was your Atlantis specific information. Now we also have an experience unit, kind of like a sample apartment, to give you an idea how exactly your home is going to look like. So without further ado, let's move and have a look at that. 1370 square feet, 3 BHK sample apartment. At the very beginning, what you see is your spacious and expansive living area of 13 by 17. With this, you also get a 5 by 14 deck. You can see that the space is so good to do your interiors, keep a chair, 2 tables. If you are interested in plants, then you can also put plants on both the sides. You will also be getting glass facade from here. You will be having views of the district club, your Dubai Marina Bay and your mountains, as I mentioned. So this was the deck, the living area, ample amount of space to play around with the interiors. And just beside this is your very spacious dining area. You can see that you can access it from all the sides. If you want, you can display your cutleries on one wall and you can put mirror just like them on the other. 6-seater dining table space, or if you want, you can put an 8-seater also. It would fit perfectly. Now the best part about your 3 BHK layout is that the living and the dining has got large windows, which means you will be getting good cross ventilation in your apartment. Now, we have seen the living and the dining. We'll be moving towards the entrance of the apartment. Just when you enter the apartment, on one hand side is your kitchen, on the other is your guest bedroom. Let's explore the kitchen first. In the kitchen, you will be getting parallel platforms. You have enough storage space, as you can see for yourself. You have also got a utility area to keep your washing machine, the socket points and everything is going to be pretty much there. You have also got large space to fit your refrigerator. Now just opposite to this is going to be your first bedroom. You can make this as your guest bedroom, or there are so many options for you. An entertainment room, a studio, a children's room, so many options with which you can play around. Now the kitchen's window and this bedroom's window are parallel to each other, which means once again good cross ventilation in your apartment. Have a look at the attached washroom of your guest bedroom. Very spacious. When your guests will be coming here, they will love staying here. The fittings and everything is going to be of top-notch quality. That's the thing which I can commit right now. Now, we have seen the major entrance parts of the home. We'll be moving towards the other bedrooms, but let me tell you that what you see in this apartment is looking so expansive and spacious is because the floor to ceiling height is 10.5 feet. That is mesmerizing. Very good floor to ceiling height, I would say. Now, I also want to point out before going into the bedroom that since this is a G+47 story tower, your balcony is going to give you mesmerizing views. Also, when you have exhausted the long list of amenities on your ground floor, on your E-deck, then you can go on the rooftop and enjoy views from your infinity swimming pool. Now, let's see this bedroom. This is your master bedroom, very spacious. The size is 12 by 17. As you can see for yourself, you can make a walk-in wardrobe right here. You can plan your vanity on the other wall. You can keep a king-size bed, not like them, a smaller bed. This room deserves a king-size bed. You have also got a running deck here, as you can see. This apartment's layout is very beautiful. Every part, every nook and corner of the apartment gives you space to breathe, gives you space to enjoy the views. This is the attached washroom. As you can see for yourself, the tiling work looks very premium. You can separate the wet and dry area if you want. The sanitary ware fittings are also going to be of top-notch quality. The space is good enough for you to play around with your ideas. When you come in, you can do your interiors as you want. Now, I have shown you the bedrooms. Let me show you the common washroom also. The space is very good. According to a common washroom, the space is good enough to, keep everything which your guests can possibly need. Now, let's move towards the final bedroom. Once again, very good layout. Space is good enough for you to dedicate this to your parents. If you want, you can make this your children's room also. Once again, large size windows for ventilation. So that was your apartment. Now, coming to the final part of the video. 3 BHK here is starting from 5 crore onwards and 4 BHK is starting from 8 crore onwards. So if you're interested for booking purposes, you know what to do. Contact us on the number given below.